See if we can get it to click. Yep, there we go. It just clicked. Hey, this is John. What do you do it? In this video, we're going to unbox this is a 1/4 inch drive, 200 inch-pound torque wrench. It has a range of 20 inch-pounds up to 200 inch-pounds. And the scales are graduated in inch-pounds. And the scales are also graduated in Newton meters. Alright, so it states on the package that it's calibrated in accordance with the standard here. Okay, it has nice packaging to keep the ratchet safe. So I would be inclined to continue to use this packaging for it. Let's see what it has here. It has a calibration certificate. Indicates that it passed calibration. So you can see here that it was using mechanical prefabricated calibration instrument. Alright, so we're going to use this on our saw. So first let's look at it. So the packaging is nice. It has a nice, looks like either CNC or laser etched embossed brand logo on it, as well as what it is, the 1/4 inch drive, 200 inch-pound torque wrench. I like that packaging. Alright, and then this is the torque wrench itself. So you can lock it in place. Typically what you do is you will put it in the lowest position, store it in its lowest position. And they even have a torque factor here for converting. Let's see what else it says. Warning, please read instruction manual carefully before starting to operate the torque wrench. Okay, so the first step is to get your torque range set properly. So if we're looking to go with, let's say, which is hard to read. Let's see, so this is inch-pounds. So let's say we want to go to 120 inch-pounds. So 120, we're going to turn upward. And I don't expect you to be able to see this, because if I'm having a tough time to see it, you're definitely going to have a tough time to see it on camera. And then once you reach that point, then you can begin to adjust, micro adjust, based on how many turns you have. So if we want to go 0, right, 4 to 0. So there's the 0 mark right there. So that is not 120. So let's go up and see if this is 0 now. Yeah, okay, so now I don't expect you to be able to see this again, but anyway, this is the 0 mark on this. And if you look around, that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 0. So there's 20 inch-pounds in between each graduated mark there. So now we're going to get a socket and we're going to see if we can apply this. Now, what I'm going to apply it to is already torqued down, I know, but I'm going to try anyway. Okay, so if we take this off, by the way, I 3D printed that and molded that in there with some heat. Okay, so we'll try that. So I'm going to use a socket here. So this is a 1/4 inch socket. And then we're going to try tightening this. See if we can get it to click. Yep, there we go. It just clicked. It just clicked. Okay, so that was 120. 120 inch-pounds. Let me back this off some. We'll pull this forward some. Let's see, let's pull this forward. Oopie. So now I got to recalibrate my saw because it was pretty much calibrated nicely. All right, so I'm gonna drop this down to maybe like right about there. Okay, so yeah, it's locked in. All right, so I just got a 1/4 inch socket and I'm using an Allen key on here. So now, okay, so now we have that set to, it's like 80 inch-pounds of torque. Okay, so there you go. So yeah, this works. Definitely dope. Okay, but now I need to get my saw calibrated. So I'm going to use my gem red here. So on, we'll go like this. Okay, so now we want to zero it, right? Okay, so that's 0. Okay, so now we're going to put this on the saw. Okay, it's a 1.9. Dude, it is rated 0. So now I got to carefully put this on here without moving anything. All right, so now we'll put this away. So thank you for sending that out. This was sent to me by the manufacturer to give this a try. So yeah, I'm liking it a lot. When I have to use it to finish rebuilding this saw, I'm definitely going to put this to use. I am rebuilding my lawnmower too, so I'm going to use it on there. Oh, you know what? One thing that's very important. We have to take this out and we have to zero it out. I forgot about that. So we just put it right on the lowest setting, which is 20. So you make sure you put this on the lowest setting on 20. Yeah, awesome torque wrench. So again, thank you for sending that out. Okay, but now I need to get my saw calibrated. So I'm going to use